Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my review for the Philips Classic Cassette Dictaphone and Voice Recorder. I'm being absolutely serious when I say this is a beautiful piece of classic gadget. I really like it. If just for the novelty of it, this is just fantastic. It really takes me back. I mean, look at this. It has a mini cassette in it, and it still works. It reminds me of a time when I used to dub over my grandparents' cassettes with whatever was playing on the radio. I absolutely loved it. I think we really have to appreciate classic tech. With this, nobody can hack your files, nobody can steal your data. It's just there, on the cassette. You don't want it anymore? Just record over it, or burn it, do what you like. But let's get into it. Let's look at what it can do. On the left hand side of it, you can see that there's a big red button. That's obviously the record button. There's also a jack for headphones and microphone. But the whole point of this is it's meant to be compact, it's meant to be something that you use without any microphone. You can use earphones if you like. It doesn't actually take the mini jack that we're used to. So by that I mean it won't work with your generic iPhone earphones. It takes 2 AA batteries and you're good to go. You're ready to capture as much information as you need. And on the other side, this allows you to control the play, rewind and fast forward functions. All simple, and there's a light in front just to let you know when it is recording. At the top of the recorder, you can see where the microphone is, and you can also control the volume. So to record, press the red button in and push up on the right hand side. Once it starts, the light will come on just to let you know you're recording, and you can see the cassette moving.
Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my video reviewing another amazing tech product.
No doubt that your device is working. And just to stop, just push the lever down, rewind your tape all the way back, and play back to yourself.
Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my video reviewing another amazing tech product.
And if there's a section that you're trying to find, you think, how do I get to that section? Well, push all the way up and hold it just to fast forward. I mean, I love this recorder just for the sounds of it rewinding. It's just so cool. I enjoyed this video way more than I should have. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have, remember to like and subscribe to Tech Loto for more classic tech reviews. Visit the Teespring page to buy some merch, and don't forget to visit the website.